Hi, welcome to my channel. We all know that summer is coming to an end, but that doesn't mean the fun has to stop. There are still plenty of outdoor and sports deals to be had this September. In this video, I'll show you some of the best deals you can find. Without further ado, let's start. Number 1. Dozavi 142 PC Emergency Survival First Aid Kit. Features including 108 pieces of first aid supplies, 20 survival tools, 14 fishing tools, 600D nylon bag. Original price, $50, now discounted 50% to $25. With coupon code IXNCAC6. Free shipping. Clip the on-page coupon and apply code IXNCAC6 for a $10 price drop from our previous mention. Number 2. Sportier Flywheel S1 Exercise Bike. Features including adjustable magnetic resistance, aluminum flywheel, LCD monitor, transport wheels, 300 pounds, capacity. Original price, $499, now discounted 50% to $249. With coupon code 20KZN24L. Free shipping. Clip the on-page coupon and apply code 20KZN24L for $110 less than we saw it in Jill. Number 3. Huffy Kids 20-inch Shockwave Bike. Features including front foot pegs, front hand brake and rear coaster brake, ideal for ages 5 to 9 years old with a height of 44 to 56, adjustable seat. Original price, $170, now discounted 54% to $78. Free shipping, available in red. Expect this item to ship in 2 to 4 weeks. That's $92 less than what Huffy charges direct. Number 4. Camp Chef Everest 2-burner stove. Features including 2x20,000 BTU burners, matchless ignition. Original price, $170, now discounted 57% to $73. Free shipping. It's $97 less than most merchants are currently charging. Number 5. Anchor 10-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard. Features including repair kit, adjustable and foldable paddle, portable backpack, removable fin and coil lash, hand pump, waterproof phone bag. Original price, $260, now discounted 50% to $130. With coupon code IXNCAC6. Free shipping. Available at this price in several colors, black pictured. Apply coupon code IXNCAC6 for a savings of $130 and $73 under our July mention. Number 6. Coleman self-inflating pad with pillow. Features including compression straps, measures 76 inches by 25 inches by 2.5 inches inflated. Original price, $47, now discounted 36% to $30. Free shipping. Although price matched a few places including Walmart, it's $17 under list and the best price we could find. Number 7. Yardstash Bike Storage Tent. Features including waterproof, slope-proof, measures 74 inches by 32 inches by 68 feet. Original price, $190, now discounted 57% to $80. Free shipping. It's $110 off list and the lowest price we could find. Number 8. Luxtall 4-person tent. Features including detachable rainfly, full-screen roof, water UV resistant. Original price, $120, now discounted 58% to $50. With coupon code 504AUZZU. Free shipping. Take $70 off by clipping the on-page coupon and applying code 504AUZZU at checkout. Number 9. Milesea 875-yard laser golf rangefinder. Features including 2-inch LCD display, flag lock with pulse vibration, slope switch. Original price, $120, now discounted 50% to $60. With coupon code 582MSI3A. Free shipping. Apply coupon code 582MSI3A to save 50%. Number 10. RM Rica Max Kids Metal Detector. Features including 1-button operation, LCD display buzzer, waterproof search coil, 24-inch 35 adjustable wireless stem. Original price, $100, now discounted 56% to $44. With coupon code RIS9QJKO. Free shipping. Clip the 40% off on-page coupon and apply code RIS9QJKO for a savings of $36. That's all for today. Be sure to subscribe if you like this video or want to see any other offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.